clap for yourself. If I may by myself clap for you. You see the reason why. Wait, may I feel laugh first? Clap, clap. Mama in a prick. Clap for yourself. You see the reason why some of you do not they work. Somebody can't tell you say now you buy your husband. You not ask your picking question. You can't go swear. Tell me how that you want to work in a prick. And not say you go there surprised and say, I know get to know. Yes. I am spiritually connected and physically connected. That's why I make one parable just now say, before something happen for daytime, it already happen in the night. Everybody go buy one day. But it good may we use old age to come up for this life. You in a prick. The one when I go do you, nobody go tell you. For me to know, say you go swear for me for Igbesu today. The one when me go do you, nobody go let you know. You not go know. You not post them, you not do, you just do them quietly. You feel say you smart. That's why I tell you, say, I don't do this media before you come. Yeah, prick. I don't do this media before you come. At first you reach this life. They're not post them. She will be shocked now to know that I not get no, say this thing play. You will be very shocked. But you know what? I want to thank the person who did that particular place as at that moment that called me and say, see what they go on. I want to thank you, Baba. I will forever be loyal to you.
I want the poster for Goya platform.
Okay.
No, Go see use the body say carry the course also.
Okay.
I don't even know.
You see, me not even know now say they don't poster for Goya platform. I don't even know. I swear to God, I don't even know. Say they don't poster for Goya platform. I swear to God who made me. I don't even know.
Me too, I don't even know.
See how? Share the live stream and power tap. You lied on me by accusing me. Oh, one. Say I said my people, may they bully you. I said that was not enough. You went to the police station and they complained. And they tried to check the Goya platform. I never see him. And they tried to check where he posted post because me no know. I never see him. I don't see him. Where he posted post. I don't see where she posted post. But I can't let you know say I don't see him. They not post anything. But I go let you know say now maybe 001.
Well, I go send that for you. Share them.
No. I might post it, honey. That's why I can't break the news first.
Even blogger carry on too. No, this go ditch I know they lie. If you even blogger carry on too.
It was posted, I don't know.
It was posted.
I don't know. But I can't let una know. Say that it don't play. And fear my return. Edith Kisley, fear my return. No, I go use you and your mama.
No, I use that word say.
I go use you and your mama.
When your mama not know the Jewish.
Take change to that Igbesu enemy.
See, we they see everything. Oh, even when your mama, we they see everything.
I go use that Igbesu one I go swear today. That Igbesu one I go swear today. I go use and take change to you and your mama enemy. I go use that Igbesu when you go swear today because they never post them. I not see them for social media. I not see them. Me never see them. But anywhere, because I wish I don't see them for play and life here. Now they call me, tell me.
Now call they call for Nigeria.
Lisa, send that for me.
Social media now.
Nigeria.
That's you're not taking that they're doing.
Now Nigeria, let that call for come say, Alpha. Here prick. Me want still repeat it again now after the swear say. Now your mama ain't by your papa. You don't know me. No. Yeah, prick. You don't know me. See, I will be your worst nightmare. You not go feel vomit me, you know feel swallow me.
Oh, that you mention say your mama no go tell us when I don't do.
So now that Igbesu you know rich.
Wow.
Now that same Igbesu so now go use to talk to your mama enemy. Just a moment. Calm down and watch.
See me the anybody we had my husband, now I always had like that. If you want trust spiritual,
No, please go inside.
If you want trust spiritual leg come for me, I try and go give them back.
Yeah, preach.
3 days, I don't feel almost work.
Now
they do that thing.
Yeah, preach.
Don't everybody they sleep, they use that we cover face.
Yeah, preach.
Mama, yeah.
I am Labiagunagbe. Yeah, preach. And they tell you today again, the 2nd of May. Say now your mama by your papa. You don't know me. If you know me, you for not even go do what you do so. Because your I go swear for you, I don't go post them. But I can't let you know, say the juju where you swear. Now Nigeria, they for call me. Tell me, say you don't go swear for Igbesu. I was laughing. Because you know why? Before you see Moki don't see you. Now your mama, like by your papa.
They claim.
Yeah, prick. Now your mama,
People they will know pass that one.
now by your papa. Now make this your papa no last. Yes. Fear my return. Shebi you don't go do your own.
Go they kill your mama, kill you with a Chris.
Shebi you don't go do your own.
I block your life for you.
Just a moment.
You they mad? Until they put person matter for each and be your husband. Talk about your husband, go they kill you. If I see that comment again, I'll block you now. I don't block you now, Esther. God they punish you. Now can't do I too know. Now your husband, being my husband, they fuck your mama. Can't be let your husband tell you. They say they swear for your husband. If you reach your tongue quiet, may God punish you. I too know kill now. Busybody people, they mad.
Yeah, prick. Now your mama, now by your papa. Now you go do abomination for your mother. Where make your mama today till tomorrow. Now what should you do? For worry. I repeat them again. Carry me go Igbesu. Go and swear in the 36 states of Nigeria. Now your papa now by your mama. The one way be say you do so. Fear my return. You don't say you get picking. And you dey play dangerous game with me. As I take dead nice, that's why I saw dead devilish. As I take dead nice, that's why I take dead evil. You go swear for me for Igbesu. Relax. Shebi na where you know you go for swear. No problem. That's the place where you for swear, so now they for still call me. Tell me, say, you don't come swear for me. I laugh. Here preach. Now your papa, now go key. Your mama will be a shower by your papa. Did Kingsley, you see how senseless some mothers can be. Your pikin can't tell you, say somebody for social media say, now you buy your husband, you go swear. You see why some of you go continue to lose una children. Because where you not ask your pikin, say, my pikin come on. This person don't know me. Before this person come talk, say, now me go buy your papa. What thing you do? You don't ask. Based on in and prick, the way they deceive people, you don't deceive. That juju where you swear so you don't go use that swear for your head. And everything when they follow you, they go. Now see that juju go fed by fire meat. I go let you know, say, we now they run this TikTok. I am the only one of TikTok. And I ain't find person trouble. But not find my trouble. You don't go do what you want to do now. You wait for my return. Shebi like Igbesu you go. We everyone for swear for you. Nobody go know. For me to even know where you for swear, now there the juju not go work. It can never work. I will continue to repeat it. Because that juju not ask question. Where anyone for go swear for you, me go first explain myself. I'll come and explain what you do and make me do you what I do you so. Before I can swear for you. Only one son wants to for you. If it is true, say me they send my fans call they bully you for your inbox. No, you carry me go station. And they wait for letter till I never see letter. You can't go Igbesu. Go swear for your papa. If you can't go to swear. Yeah, prick. Now laugh and they look you, they laugh. You go know the person where you jam. You go know say 10 years of screen, not be beans. If you cannot beat them, you join them. I go use it to show example to the rest people they throw match for me. I'll use it to go do the way they do donation. So I used to go to do donation for net. Should be your name that I did, Kingsley. I know what to do to you. But get ready for this battle. This battle that just begun. Tell your mama say that God will punish her. Tell your mama say that go kill her. Tell her like that. Say that they go swear so they go kill her. Tell your mama like that. Say, he say he come at this morning. You don't know I tell no say don't go swear. Tell her say that they go swear so they go kill her. It Toto go first to the roti. Your mama Toto go first start to the roti first. Before you come confess with it by your papa, before your mama come there. The battle line has been drawn. You will say, Oga, stop insulting the parents. Otugbe one. You be fake account. Otugbe. Wasunwu. Otugbe. Otugbe. If I bola with basic name, that one a name. People they answer soft names like Aliko Dangote, Alaji Dentata. You the answer Otugbe. Otugbe. Now God will go punish Mama Yahoo, go punish you. Now the swear where Mama Yahoo go swear for Igbesu. Now go still worry you, worry everything we do with you. Just the way go still worry in a prick. In a prick, get ready for me. The battle line has been drawn from today. You go begin the experience. My papa only. You and your mama don't knock the safe gola. If you go Nigeria, now one man is sleep with una two. Okay, you know hear that one. Now one man they sleep with you and your mama. After your mama don't buy your papa finish.
Too much, Jesus Christ.
Wow. You never see anything. The one where I go do you, you not go see. You not go even know where for do you the thing. You not go post them. Many people for not there disappointed in you. That's why they tell them and say, nowhere the post not there anywhere. If the post there somewhere, and I don't they reach for this live video, for don't share that for me. Now me fair can't break the news. Before they'll come break them, me don't break them already. I don't know now say, yes, he don't really go swear for Igbesu. You see the elders where they do all those juju. That's why juju they turn back against them. So as I come here, Igbesu, they shake. You know the juju when me get from my town, when me for come. And they ask you, you just only Ayelala they those states. Not be only Ayelala they those states. Some juju day where you know I hear for your life. You take the way you did so. You go learn it. You go learn it that next time, because they push you into the saga. Now you regret. You are regretting. That's the simple truth. As I did, so now you they regret. I don't need anybody or Jupiter to tell me say they regret. Yes. Tell that your yeye mama, yewe. That your yeye mama still not too. Saga. If your mama, if that Igbesu they work for your mama for not be like a panigiaku. If that Igbesu they work for you, and this hey, come and buy hey, come and buy hey. You for the tech Igbesu make the big customer for you. You go learn you thing. To spoil, na very easy to know. Not to destroy, not to repair, na their problem dey. People dead in Nigeria, they never bath for more than 10 years. They don't old. They never bath. Now you know where I be. Do you know the sun? When I degenerate from, so all the people they fight me is all these were they not feeling with me. Now they come saying you come. They come try me. They come try me. I'm gonna meet you. You left for cancel the husband head. You say they wash Yash for Canada. That one never even swear for you. You don't want to go Igbesu. Your mama, Nike, your papa. Wanna share, wanna cut down, wanna cut down. If you are a blogger, wanna cut down. Enogie said categorically said that this woman. Now he pay your papa. I repeat them again. It is your mother, shame on you, to any man that will get married to you. Because the way your mama buy your papa, now you go see take buy the man. You say I not be your spec. May I not be a spec to slow poison? Now slow poison like you go still be your spec. And you get one video when they cut for me for blogger say, you say I not be your spec. God forbid. How can I be a spec to a slow poison? How can I be a spec to somebody if you not put a glass for I don't see? Oh, it isn't a style they use and they do. You can't put their glass for you call it na professor. Professor of prick. You know they put a glass if they saw prick. But I tell them say this girl na bad person. If you want suck prick, you know they use a glass. But if you dare on life, you go use a glass. What's that? She's suffering from hypermyopia. I went to the KCS School of Thought. You have a very short-sightedness. That is why they use mama know that they use a glass. My wife, when we call you still to do wife, they use a glass. Me know they like all those well not vest all these girls we get shaken body, one not vest for me, not buna the thought because some of them they support me for year. May God will bless all of them. Man, not say a prick. You are shekele in nature. I cannot enjoy you even if I sleep with you 10 times a night. Because you don't get the yash, you not waiting your body. You are prick. On a normal note, what boy? I go swear for you if you see the stagger you, I see the toss your papa, and your mama kill your mom. You don't know me. If you know me, you not make problem. If I will see letter today, say bring letter come. See, we go court, come back. Before they cut the child and I put that I see the stagger you. Yes. I am so stubborn when it comes to things like this. I am very stubborn. Yeah, prick, you say you need a man that you can be proud with, that you can never be proud with me. Yeah, prick. Yeah, prick. If me and you stay one bed for one night, you snatch me come up from my man around. No joke. You snatch me come up from my wife hand.
From my strength, you come be my everything. Maybe I never come be my
when
everything.
other chat come aside for this app, you see the reaction of my wife. My wife was so angry. Now many things they make wife they love man. Her anger was justified. And that Ogun and Manos come out.
It's okay now. What is that?
And that Ogun and Manos come out.
Quiet, give me. Please.
Yeah, where we do?
Give me now.
How do you know what we done? Now that Ogun so. Now Manos.
Okay. Good girl.
Come out. Before you will see a woman that will be so jealous because he say he and your husband, he and another woman they cheat. You know say he get to that woman they enjoy for that man body. When make your head bust, say imagine say this Omoblis come. So the way my husband said they play love with me, they say go see go take play love with Omoblis. Yeah, prick. If me and you dey for one bed together, you snatch me. You when the shop semo. You when the shop semo. When you were my PA here, you were eating semo. No, you're not my PA again. They're not for use you to PA. If it is me, they use you to PA now. If it is now, they should use you to do PA. I don't be mad when they do 2 minutes man. No, I don't be 2 minutes man.
Ja, only say, but what want VAT in the bed? Do have VAT for yourself. Do have VAT for yourself.
She's paying.
Do have VAT for yourself.
My wife don't want it like that.
Do have VAT for yourself. You be 2 hours woman. Do have VAT.
Yeah, break.
Do have VAT. Do
Yeah,
have
break.
VAT.
Who even where?
What VAT in the boy? Clap for yourself.
Yeah, prick.
My strength part.
I do a better.
My strength part too loading.
Oh, you go one way.
My strength part too loading.
Do have that for yourself. You
My
say,
strength part too
you say
loading.
no, use me. You are very stupid. Say, you don't use me. Say, I don't be your spec. I can never be a spec to a slow poison. I can never be a spec to a gossiper like you. Now you go spread my head to counselor. Now you go to cry because you know people who just take Canada for more than 10 years, they behave like Weibo. As he go cry, me counselor, you see what Enogie is doing to me? Enogie just want to finish me. He want to bring disgrace to me, mommy. Now I come begin to cry with him. Or not to counselor say, Uhuda, or not to counselor say, counselor, you need to run from this guy. Since you can't carry your gift and come out in a prick, me not gonna see the gift me again. In a prick, if best they work for you, now you beg man to stay with you. In a prick, you go sweat you do tire. Yes, say that Aribi say you don't sleep with him. Say you suck a prick when they sleep. The short things when they wear for the boy present, everybody the boy sleep with you. How can you put boy for us? You say they have the boy fuck him. In a prick. You say not be you come poison my mind. See, you are a devil in human form. Now you tell me about Mama Sonia. You never they call this platform that time as my PA. Not me say you. Not they call me that time and say Ipa. That woman too cost you see so. It cost your innocent children. I say really. Now I begin to mash Mama Sonia picking. I begin to expose Mama Sonia. You want that? Yeah, prick, you go swear, that means you go swear with Sutaya be that because you are a devil. The reason you want to tell people now say when they take quarrel, when you tell them they attack the platform, they mad. People they watch me from here, where they know they call this platform. They have been watching me since 10 years ago. They have been watching me since 10 years ago. 10 years. They know they call this platform. Oh, you want to use that sense for say the time where me and Mama Blue take quarrel. Say you never they call this platform. You never they call, but they watch me, they call me. Okay, EGU, big guy to say EGU. Yes now. So why they deny? Why you not denying? Yeah, prick. You go see. You go carry the Sutaya. You see me? I date on my autostrada. I can never be your spec. I cannot date a woman like you. I have never dated secular women in my life. I like when a woman is tall, you get body. Not be say go just be like Mrs. Ibu. Like you go just day, you go just be woman. You go huge. That's why they call Maxi clever. When you are making love to a woman that is a woman, you go enjoy and say, yes, you are making love to a woman. Now make her wife my wife. Now make her say, this is my wife. You are not going anywhere. Then make her go put money. Traditionally. Because there's difference between a mighty clever, a Highlander, and a small tazi. You know, you are a small tazi in bed. Speedometer of the tazi for autobahn, it not reach 130 kilometer. It not reach.
Say your wife will not get you in Kenya. You get juicy pickles. Not to Kenya, your pickles they juicy.
Tell them say your pickles they juicy. Maybe I'll go about when you go.
Your pickles they juicy.
Tell me where juicy.
Original pickles juicy, not be by Kenya.
Where was that?
It they juicy. Hey, don't go there. This morning if you set up a bola, you run.
Where was that now? Maybe I'll go about where you go.
You say your wife.
Tell them that you are just.
I say yes, not the boy.
Hey, go.
Natural, yeah.
Hey.
Isara.
Hey, die.
See, every day they make promise. But
they don't prick. Oh, go and be you. Nobody you are Yagmo. Not be as your mama be you be. Are you proud to be a woman? If you are proud to be a woman, I'm telling you for free today that you are not a woman. You are a silly fatu. All this, you be like a woman that say, Jara joy women. When a real women are talking, you're there back, you demand. When real women, when you say solid women, when they are talking, you go there back. You know, you be like Jara to women. So for that simple reason, I can never be your spec. Because you don't get to me. Look at, more like call this part in and prick. You don't have toto. You don't have pickles. Your toto will see small like as your man. If you want to know the meter of a woman's pickles, check your mat. See your mat. So your toto will small. Your toto go smaller. People like Lokienta logo, they say they sleep with you. All those one pricks, guy be. Your toto go small on a norm. Let me remove this plus 21. Toto go small. They mad, they craze. What bell? You don't go do your own. I go still do my own, but I go still the saga if they go. Your mama go suffer for my hand for the next 1 year. Your mama go suffer. You go suffer too. If I say saga, you go to bring her the come aside. You go in. Which everybody they buy for Nigeria. When real women that are doing her business in Europe are talking, go and hide your head in shame. Do you know that this idiot Councilor be one carry and go Canada? Councilor be don't they do a visa to Canada? You were Italy no favor. Why were you crying to Councilor you want to go to Canada? Make the Canada boy. Imagine say you go Canada, if you go donation Councilor to police and I bring you to Canada. As evil as you are. When I was telling people that this guy is evil, nobody believes me. But today, I thank God that I was able to convince people that you are evil. That you are evil. No sense. Who are you, Awagmo? Uno bodo. Your mother is an uno bodo. Tell your mother say she cannot do more than a dead rat. Tell her like that. Except say I not be Enogie when I be. Or na the truth you go tell your take swear finish. No, you lied to your mother that I just carried the insult out. Rubbish, nonsense. I don't do it. I want to do you. Fear my return. Oh yeah, fear my return. I don't do it. I want to do you. Before you go say go and make up break, and me don't break already. Fear my return. If I swear for you, I'm going to saga you more. The swear one wants to for you not got anything to do with my saga with you. Nobody, even police, cannot stop me. They can never. They can't. And they wait for letter. You say, I don't go school. If they're donation person for Europe, if they take time before they send letter, and I lie you. I lie you. I lie. Since you don't do this thing, they're supposed to contact my stars.
At the year of they say should you all 70 euro. Which 70 euro be that?
Okay. That $70 home, one of the CEO, I don't explain on that day now.
Okay.
I don't explain on the other day now. Okay, let me explain. Let me explain again. Let me explain again. How many of you remember when one girl come, her name is Nico, she live in the US. When she come here, come talk say 70 years old man give am belle. So we know say the day when she supposed fly, go meet the man, she come miss flight. She come dey look for $70 where she want add join take buy another fly, take buy another ticket to take fly.
She come say she go give her.
She can't give her. Not be me tell her me she give her.
I hear what she said she go give her.
Then so she never still be my PO.
Yes, yes.
She was my timekeeper then.
Yes,
she dey also.
I remember.
She dey also. She dey cry to be my PA.
She come say she go give her.
Now when she can't give her that $70, ask her if there was any time when I tell her say give her money. She do it on her own, and I appreciated that then. I go pay. Call me now. I go still go. The day I will still swear, The day I will still swear. When I'm not blocking her prick, I'm not blocking her. When I'm not blocking her prick, when you leave her, I go pay. Call me, I pay now. Go right and join police. Now your mama by your papa. Go tell who you want to tell for this life. If you are better. Your mother by your father. And your mama does still by children before. Yes. You are one of the survivors of the children where remain. Yes. Here prick, you never fell born for us. You're picking by. before you enter Europe. Okay. Here prick don't feel born for us. Not be the one that say give up pikin. Here prick is a single mother of 2. One don't go back. You call the laugh Perry. You call the laugh Perry for go your platform. When you don't see lost pikin before, you know as it be. You say I'll pay. You never see anything. Here prick. Your mama, now you buy your papa. Make the besu flare. Make they come do me something for you. The besu, they are not fully well say who they lie and who they talk truth. The besu cannot do anything to me because I don't do them anything.
If I louder. You say waiting. You say your mama lost how many children?
Your mama never lost children before like 2.
How many children?
2.
He
Then
say, very good if I call for you. If I always I tell this girl, he say when she want start nursing school, when he say they go, I only with this girl is dead. I said when she want start nursing school. I don't talk to you. I don't know you before. See, if I might tell you something, I say this here also. She don't first saga me before for her page live video.
okay.
You understand me? So don't be today she started they join live video whether for the saga me. Even when me and Baby took you the quarrel. She didn't join that live video.
Okay.
So why you can't comment and you can't say you want die because I comment? I not talk to you. My sister, go start your nursery school. We want see. Maybe they join live video, they find what you want for do see PA. You join where I like that they laugh. Perry Pikin die. We Make your mama still bury you. Let me still bury my own. As your mama bury you, nobody call your mama and come outside. Me still bury my own. And I saw it's still rich.
You still bury for Nigeria before you enter Europe.
Yes, that's what I hear. But no say matter where they no confirm. No for your stay. Can say police case easy like that for Europe? You want to do police case? Go use lawyer now. You are a rich girl. I carry money, take carry lawyer. Make them for
Carry money now.
You know
Carry
money now.
go take.
See how where they stay. Now you be the best girl in Europe. See your background.
Oh boy, is a thing you are pretty. You never know me.
See background where she want to do video. See that for that in dirty and tell me if you come for me. You are very stupid.
Okay.
You're very stupid. See background which want to do video. You know they say a background with a dead canopy where they are back. Yeah. They're very stupid. Like how I talk to you. I don't get right to laugh for the comment section.
No.
Your name na my laugh. I don't get right to laugh.
No, you say you don't get right.
Live video, very good if I come for you. You are very stupid, idiot. Now me say you go do PA. Now me say I did the way you do PA. I did there. International PA. I did there. Wow, bro. Man, no laugh. International PA. It's very good if I come for you. Because they do saga again. I'll find you going tell I'll beat you join us. You don't mad, who they kill you. Because they do saga again. Not mind this stupid. That invest me because always I talk, I say our PA nurse, our international PA nurse. He said very good if I come for you. PA went wrong, my dear. Beyonce PA. International PA. Go do this PA you must do. You must be our PA. You must be the PA. You must do PA. Very good if I come for you. Who you be? What's you for social media? If not for you,
when they left for mobility head. When they left for mobility head for you were so happy. Don't come and apologize for what she not do.
When barbecue they saga me, this girl go just send request, just did there. Swear I no get your video where they talk, they put for her page matter where they talk about me. You're very stupid. I don't get right to talk for your matter, but you get right to talk for my own. You want to keep your you they get opinion.
You never know that's no person.
You get opinion here and there, and I'm not gonna get right to get
you
opinion.
You never know that's no person.
Very stupid fool. Go carry where I know you swear in Enogie. Do your worst. We want to see her. We want to see your worst. Now Europe we dey. If police send Enogie later, they go send for you. 12 na go come talk with you and do. They no operation for Europe. Paper or no paper, no operation. No operation. You don't think cause Enogie, you still get proof. That's how Europe case they be. If police call you, they go call Enogie. But yeah, what happen? Why una lay complain? You dey Italy, they sue person for Italy. Who dey Germany? You no get go Germany, go swan. Ah, bro. Who have waiting pass now for Europe? Person go talk una go mail. She said she dey very intelligent. She be very intelligent girl. Very intelligent girl.
He said,
wow, bro, that is very stupid girl. They form intelligent girl. She door pass for you. Oh, girl, I don't see for she just door pass. Now she door pass. Very dull human being. You are person never for you don't go police station. If the Enogie matter happen, nah. They do matter for Enogie like that girl they say they did that they give her opinion. Give me your call now. You run go police station. You run go police station. I don't
Now
know.
that people not go that police.
They go that police.
You need
They
to go back to body and tell them say
join now.
I
Man, don't
never
talk to
rest.
you so. Because I did my own way you cost
Never,
me.
never
You
see
dey craze.
anything.
If I come for Perigodi, what you be? What you be? You dey mad. What you be? You dey crazy. That's in pay me. You know, guys, swear. My boyfriend is not near me. I dey bored.
SPA.
My boyfriend say, Perry, calm down. I say, baby, I want to go meet this girl. Make her ask her who he be. My boyfriend say, if this girl talk to me again, make her give her what I want to give her because I keep quiet. You want give me saga? You dey mad? Go carry your mama. Before you go talk about my own pikin wey don die, go carry your mama dead children. First go carry those ones. If your mama dead children don't fit come back, you can't find my own way die for my hand because your mama will still die for your hand.
Of
You
course.
understand me so? Or your own way you born away for Nigeria, where you die for Nigeria. Careless mother. If you don't run with your pikin for Nigeria, call Europe, call do asha, where you know die. Wow,
He
go
started
analyze your
knocking.
matter.
Me analyze
If
that.
only
Thank
pikin
you
for
so
Nigeria,
much.
now die for Nigeria. So if you don't run, leave her. When you post that girl age that day, that's all of us shock. We don't know she don't reach 30 something. They claim 20 something for your live video. 30 something years a day. No let you they pursue come up for marriage. Now you want to come from. You think you want to laugh me? Say pikin die. Oh yeah, make I count and follow you. Make I count your own follow you. If you your body, my sister. If you your body. I mean, talk about your marriage where they pursue you come up for inside. Where would they name her for you? Where would they name her for you? Avoid me, Avoid me. First, I know go away face you. Now come and I did. They enjoy myself. They comment. They enjoy myself. If they sweet me, they open to they laugh. As every other person, you sweet die. Come and so very sweet. If I want laugh tonight, go. And then I'll say raise one leg, hit my toto. Then I go bust laugh. Nothing sweet past conversation. Don't insult me.
Go back. Thank you so much. Yeah, preach. You said we go pay you. On you. And they all like that.
No, I did that. She can't say she go give the girl. People call it take. I see join take.
Me they all like that.
I get that.
With the way she take give the girl $70. May ya address a bad ticket. I'll mess to you here. You dey craze. Now you supposed to pay me for giving you publicity. Because when you my PA, if you climb up that time, they get the rich 1K. No, 300 they watch.
It gets online.
Oh, what be you?
For this platform, all saga. It gets online when this boy, when you see one go stuff, I can say no, na saga. Tom Polo. You see what that boy talk about me. Now so me carry belly don't grow. Many things. The thing touch my husband. My husband say one go stuff for. I say no. If you are in the play, not go use that statement on me. Na saga, not transfer for Tom Polo. You're leaving. Na saga. So who believe?
Oh no, saga.
Who believe it? Believe.
Now here, oh mama, by papa.
It rest. That is what I mean. Tell me, I tell you. If you see a lot of things with Apollo talk.
Now here, oh by papa. Here, oh mama.
But me as a woman, I not agree. I not agree. I say leave her. Who believe it? Believe who not believe it? Rest. For instance, some women they go who push their husband, push.
You go see her.
The way I not agree.
I go till they meet you. Go see another. They pursue you from one platform day first day. They say me you not cause spoil this platform. People are tagging you to be evil. You go as a my platform. Now where I test boss as my platform. Evil girl. Ozuo away at Bawabubo. Day for yesterday and yesterday now we raised 1.8. You know the year we still they raise money. We still they help people. The biggest mistake I've ever made in my life that to use it to go to PA. That's why I saga myself always and all the time. I go use it to do over sabi PA. PA where come be say man, you call the fee say you get sense past your boss. If I talk something, you say me do like this. If you not want to, you say no, guy where you are bell. Shebi since we take drop your PA now, make them use you do PA now. If it's easy. Go and do PA in other people's platform. Not to say I'm not like Enogie. Go do PA for 1 month. If you are the go, I know saga on yourself. Go do PA, follow the as diploma. If not pursue you for there. If Rabo and the mommy agent not pursue you for there. Osas don't even need them as a PA. That's why I use Rabo to do PA. Now your mama like by your papa, not be saga. Era leni we were. Let the besuraz and face the person will start all this nonsense. Except say the juju, you know they see. If that juju they see, you know who you go meet. You know who you go meet. Say, I'll give you your money. Can you pay for the publicity I've given to you? If you go people platform that and they Can you? I bet if you hear me reach a pa, you know the feel they reach a pa again. Nobody they rate you again. That SPA they call you. I sacked you. I sacked you because if not be this a counselor, if not be counselor, why can't tell you say I want to go nursing school, nurse of waiting, rejected PA, nurse of waiting. Waiting. Which school you go for? Italy. Nurse of waiting, nurse of hair. I be nurse of cleaning. Nurse of cleaning. I be the nurse. Which nurse you be? I be nurse where they work for mortuary. We never see you wear nurse one day. We may still use and take do video. Even if you say not show us the name because we don't already know your name. Wear the nurse cloth. You will be cleaner for the city where you dey. Not be Aribi, you and Aribi go because I find the work that time. I be this I not remember. Now today I even remember. Say, let me tell you that I say they look for cleaning job where you to dey assist yourself. Wa gbe o wa gbo na bo la egbe. Won gbera ju e. Wa sun.
Really? Yes.
For today, what they call am the rejected PA. Rejected PA. Enogie fans rejected. Rejected PA. So as diploma rejected. Goya rejected. All of them they reject you. People will push you for problem. All of them don't run leave you for the problem. Oh yeah, now face Enogie now. Donisha me now put me for problem. Put me for prison now. You go dey swear gbesu for your papa head. And God will punish you. So be you surprised that I certain no. If I swear for you, no. And now let matter according to the talker say, I don't still go swear for you today. Oh, I don't post anyone because me not see the one where you post. But they tell me from Nigeria. And you go fit play the audio.
I'm not going on the voice. More flash and small.
More flash and small. Oh yeah now. What agbe o? Everybody say rejected PA.
Everybody they sleep, they fold hand.
Everybody say rejected PA.
Give me the remote.
Chosa. Inside mama.
Maybe you people have kaput the remote now. I've kaput the remote now. It's finished. Go inside. Yeah. No bread. No bread.
Me for no say, no be say, I don't carry the talk. Rejected PA. That's why I play and rich. I just give you a clue. Okay, not the verse where be that begs her, forgive her. Okay, go verse. No, not play again. Not play. No play again. Now we know play.
Okay.
Okay, go verse where beat for this one. Okay, go break beat. Yes. Provided say not be real beat. Because this girl is taking my kindness.
We are going to wash it back to the owner.
First, we'll wash
it back to the
secondly,
owner. The person when he swear and
first, we'll watch. You know what
everybody they swear for.
Yeah, preach. Your mama don't know juju. Your mama don't know anywhere for Nigeria.
They close. Everybody they sleep.
No, like Besu, I don't know any other places. The next person I know, now the Besu be the highest one you know. I'll teach you lesson. That is for him.